AI isn't coming for the future. It's already here. It's in your pocket. It's in your workplace. It's even in the apps you scroll every single day. And whether we like it or not, AI is rewriting the rule book on work. Some jobs are disappearing. Some jobs are being created. And the truth is, the future of work isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI. In this video, we're going deep. Which jobs AI is replacing, which ones it's creating, and the skills you'll need to thrive in the new economy. Let's get into it. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. AI is already replacing jobs. The first wave is customer service. Chatbots, virtual assistants, and AI voiceover systems are handling millions of conversations every day. Call centers in particular are under pressure because one AI can do the work of hundreds of agents across multiple languages 24/7. Next is administrative and office work. Think data entry, scheduling, invoice processing. These tasks are repetitive and rule-based, exactly the kind of work AI can do faster without human error. If your role depends on moving data from one place to another, AI is already learning how to do it better. Then we have factory and warehouse jobs. Robots don't get tired. Automated picking systems are already running in Amazon warehouses, and Tesla factories are pushing robotics to the limit. Logistics, stock control, even basic machine operations, all under pressure. And here's the part most people don't expect. Even white-collar jobs aren't safe. Lawyers are already using AI to draft contracts. Doctors are using AI to analyze scans. Accountants are using it to prepare tax filings. It's not replacing the entire profession, but it's cutting deep into the entry level and assistance role that used to be stepping stones for humans. McKinsey estimates that by 2030, up to 30% of the tasks that we do today could be automated. That doesn't mean 30% of the jobs vanish overnight, but it does mean every industry is shifting and shifting fast. Now, let's flip the script, because while AI is replacing certain roles, it's also creating brand new ones. Entire industries are opening up, and these are the opportunities most people don't see yet. The first and most obvious are tech jobs. AI engineers, data scientists, machine learning specialists. These are the people building, training, and refining the algorithms that drive AI. If you've got a background in programming or maths, this space is exploding. But here's the twist. Even within tech, you don't always need a degree anymore. A skill like prompt engineering, knowing how to talk to AI systems, is already being advertised with six-figure salaries. Then we've got business and strategy roles. Every company on the planet is now asking, how do we use AI? That means a surge in demand for consultants, automation specialists, and managers who understand how to deploy these tools responsibly. Businesses don't just want coders, they need translators who can connect AI with real-world value. Next is healthcare. AI is helping doctors read scans, predict illnesses, and design personalized treatments. That means new jobs in data-driven medicine, medical robotics, and patient AI care systems. These aren't futuristic ideas. They're already in hospitals right now. And then there's creative industry. This is where people are most shocked. Instead of destroying creativity, AI is actually supercharging it. Editors using AI to cut videos faster, designers using AI to draft visuals, writers and filmmakers using AI as a brainstorming partner. The demand isn't disappearing, it's evolving. Think about it like this. 20 years ago, jobs like social media manager, YouTuber, or app developer didn't exist. Now, they're everywhere. AI is about to unleash the same kind of shift. Whole careers we can't even fully imagine yet. So, here's the question. If AI is changing the job market this fast, how do you stay relevant? The answer is skills. Not just technical skills, but human skills that AI can't replicate. Let's start with human-centric skills. Things like leadership, empathy, emotional intelligence. A chatbox can answer questions, but it can't truly motivate a team or build trust. In a world full of machines, the ability to connect with people becomes even more valuable. Next are creative skills, problem solving, innovation, storytelling. AI can generate ideas, but it takes a human mind to choose which ideas matter and how to apply them in the real world. Creativity isn't going away, it's becoming the currency of the future. Then we have technical literacy. And no, you don't need to be a full stack coder, but you do need to understand the basics, how AI tools work, how data flows, even how to write a decent prompt. Think of AI as the new computer skills. 30 years ago, if you couldn't use Microsoft Office, you were left behind. Today, if you don't know how to use AI, you're at the same risk. And finally, lifelong learning. The people who win in this new era are the ones who keep adapting, because the tools will keep changing. What matters is how quickly you can learn them. The mindset of a constant learner is what's needed in this new world. So don't think of AI as the end of opportunity. Think of it as a filter. Those who resist will struggle. Those who embrace and evolve will thrive. The future of work isn't human versus AI. It's human with AI. And the only question left is this: will you adapt? Here on Next Gen Insight, we break down the trends, the tools, and the strategies shaping tomorrow's world, so you don't just keep up, you stay ahead. So, if you're ready to future-proof yourself, hit that subscribe button and join the community that's building the next generation of insight. Because the future isn't something you wait for, it's something you create.